Hi guys! Ayan na naman si Sawyer. Naghiwa kasi ako ng lemon guys kasi ilalagay ko siya sa luya at honey. Nagpakulo ako ng luya guys tapos nilagyan ko siya ng honey at saka lemon. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'm sick. Pero hindi naman siya. Wala naman siya sakit guys. Ganyan lang siya. Kasi naghiwa ako ng lemon. Gusto niya yung lemon. So, show them. You eat lemon, babe? Do you like lemon?
Sour.
Huh?
Sour.
Sour?
Yes. The one is yellow.
The lemon is yellow?
Yes. I love that. I love yellow. I love yellow.
Oh, you love yellow?
Yes, I love yellow. Yum, ramen.
Eat it again, babe.
No sorry.
Sour? Eat again, babe. Why you like lemon? Don't do that to the couch. Babe, malamig na ba to? Kaya ko na ba siyang inumin? Ito siya guys. Oh. Ayan siya guys. Madami naman akong gagawin ngayon guys. Maglilinis ako ng refrigerator. At yung kumain kami ng orange kanina ni Sawyer. So, nilinisin ko rin yan. At ang sala guys. Si Sam at saka si Shelton ay pumasok sa school. Kami lang ni Sawyer dito. Kaya show it to them, babe. Look, babe. Kahit naasiman pa rin siya, guys. Kain pa rin siya ng lemon. Ang sarap. Lemon, ginger, at saka honey. Ika-10 araw na ngayon, guys. Nagkaroon ako ng flu. So, what do you want?
Let's go up there.
Where?
Let's go up there.
Oh, you want the other one? Oh.
Let's go up there.
Go get the stool. I'm going to throw this away. Hey. Huh?
Where's the axe?
I think it's in the pantry. Tapos, maglilinis din ako ng pantry, guys. Dahil, tingnan nyo yung pantry. Yan. Hindi ko na siya naayos. Yan. Ito, maayos to siya. What? Oh, nagalit siya dahil yung lemon. Nagalit siya dahil tinapon ko yung lemon. Okay, hold on. Mommy's gonna give you another one. I have to wash it, okay? Huh? You said you want lemon or no?
Yeah.
You want lemon?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll cut it, okay? Bantay lang ka, di lang nimo kaunon dong.
That's Caesar. Mama, that's Caesar. That's Caesar.
Caesar. You want me to cut your kuan?
Yes.
Caesar. You better eat the lemon. Okay?
Mom, I got this salad.
I know, you said you want lemon.
Mom, this is Caesar. Oh, Mommy.
Tingnan natin to. Here.
Mom, what is this?
Naog lagi da dong.
What is this?
Yan ang lemon. Let's see ha. Pantay ka.
It's big.
I know it's big.
Oh no, it's a mountain.
Huh?
It's a mountain.
Mountain?
Yes.
Pataka.
It's a mountain.
Okay, go. You said you want lemon. I gave you the lemon. You have it. yellow. Get down there. I don't wanna get...
No.
Mahulog ka dong, mahulog. Na. Wajud ta ani dong.
Mom, I will get outside.
No. No, dear.
No, it's mango.
What mango? Taka kag mango. Huh. Manghang dito.
This is mango.
Dapat papagupitan ko si Sawyer at saka si Shelton. Kaya lang si Shelton ay uuwi ng 3:30. Tapos yung barbershop ay magbubukas ng ay bukas lang sila guys ng 9 to 4 PM. So mag-uwi si Shelton ng 3:30. So wala nang time guys magpagupit. Siguro Friday na naman to pagupitan silang dalawa. Gusto ko sabay silang dalawa guys. Para ano? Para pag tumubo na naman ulit, sabay na naman ulit, 'di ba? Isang anuan lang, isang puntahan lang.
Tada!
Oh! Allah, sige ka. Sabay to sila nung nakaraang last year. Last year pa sila napagupitan. Sada ka diharon. So siguro Friday na siguro ang papagupitan ko sila Friday. Kasi sa Friday ang out ni Shelton is 12 noon. Para mayroon pang time, guys. Hawak-hawak pa rin yan yung lemon.
Tada!
Say hello, guys!
Tada!
Say hello, guys!
Hello, guys. Guys. Mountain. Tada! Mountain.
Mountain, yeah! Taka ra kagyawit dong. Pataka ra kagyawit. Say tulog, oy! Say tulog, oy! Tulog, oy! Say tulog, oy ba? Say tulog, oy! Say tulog, oy! Tulog, oy! Say maayong buntag. Sa tanan. Say sa tanan. Sa tanan. Boring ugmang kadong. Oh my god, masakit yung likod ko guys. Hindi na ako makapaghintay papunta ng chiropractor ngayong Wednesday. Kaming dalawa ng asawa ko guys kasi masakit talaga yung likod ko guys. Nagpapa-adjust kaming dalawa. So ayan siya guys, yung refrigerator namin. So kailangan ko na siyang linisan. Dahil hindi ko na siya narinisan last year. So, need talaga siya linisan guys. Tanggalin ko na yung mga yan. Kung anong pang kailangan tanggalin. So, ayan. Ito. Ayan. Maraming kalat sa kusina guys kung kailangan ko linisin. Tapos diretso.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
What is that? That one.
Juice?
Yes. That like this. That like this.
How about cheese? You want cheese? Huh?
I don't like this.
You like this? Oh.
No, I don't like this.
Okay, mo. Ano lagi?
No.
Oh, boy. Don't follow me. Be. Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Mommy, I get it.
You want cheese stick?
What is that? What this one?
Okay, here, come on.
What this one?
Hmm?
What this one? I don't want this one.
No, that's yucky. That's yucky. So you want cheese stick? Yeah, cheese stick. Okay. So cold?
Yes.
I know, it's so cold.
Mom, look at that.
Hmm?
Mommy, I want this one.
Huh?
I got that one. Mommy, what is this?
Hala! So, ayan guys, inalis ko muna yung mga laman andito para mapunasan ko siya guys. Ayan, malinis na. So, ayan guys, malinis na ang counter ng aming kitchen at saka ang fridge. So, ayan. Tapos na rin ako guys. Thank you guys for watching and thank you so much for all the new subscribers at saka mga subscribers ko at saka sa mga silent viewers ko. Thank you so much sa pagsubaybay sa amin.